Hi, my dear friends. Now we'll be discussing on the psychological impact or psychological thought process of a person who comes forward to buy or rent out an industrial property. See, when somebody comes to buy or rent out an industrial property, they will have a host of needs, a long list of host of needs for an industrial. Of course, it is really required. See, if we look into the major aspect, what I see, the major aspect when somebody is looking for industrial property, first and foremost is the power and the water availability. There should be adequate power, wherein power can be upgraded at a later stage, as and when you have the machinery or you upgrade your machinery. Next comes the availability of water. You should be able to get water at a undisturbed in water supply you should get. Plus, you should also see that the roof of the industry should be slightly on the higher side. It all depends, depending on business to business or kind of industry to industry. But it's always better to have a little higher ceiling. It The reason is, one, to keep your machines, to move, to give space for your machines to move around or shift around. One is that thing. Another thing is, in industries or in manufacturing factories, there is a lot of heat dissipated from the machines. And so what happens, when the ceiling is low, the heat is inside the property itself, which creates a lot of trouble for the workers to work for a longer period. If there is a good height of ceiling, this hot air goes out and it doesn't affect the people. It's a lot of difference in that. Then comes, one needs to look at it should be accessible to a wider road. Wider road, people don't think why it is, but it's really required. Tomorrow, if you are upgrading your machinery, the newer machinery would be automatic, or with new technology coming in, there would be slightly wider. So to get that, it comes through a container or larger vehicle. It should be accessible, so that the vehicles do come in and you have an easy access. Plus, it also helps in your loading, unloading, or sending out the material, finished material, and bringing in the fresh raw material. So wider road is very, very important. Then comes the topography. The topography is also one very important, which plays important role in selecting the industrial property. Suppose on the main road, your topography of the land is slightly on the lower side in the city limit, slightly on the lower side. It becomes difficult when there is heavy rains. In heavy rains, there are chances water can flood in and spoil your machinery. That is for where the industrial belt inside the city. Now, if you are on the outskirts, I'm sure on any highway or any big way, you will not get any property which is at a higher level, because the roads are built such that the roads are itself on the higher level. So there you need to see it should be as far as possible from the main highways. Then comes the transport for the worker, very, very important aspect. The transport for the workers should be easily available, the public transport. Because, see, it depends, if you have a good transport network, it's easy for your staff to reach out to your place on time, and they will get, even if you are doing an overtime, they should be able to access to public transport. These are vital things which one has to take care. But here, the psychology of the client, when he comes, they have a total different psychology other than these. We have seen some people come with with a notion in mind that Vastu plays an important role. I am not denying on it. Vastu does plays an important role, but I don't know how, how it is going to imply one some kind of Vastu and another some kind of Vastu. People come to see, come and check out on Vastu point, which is a psychological aspect. Then some people come and see the numerological aspect of the property. Again, that's a psychological aspect. Then some of the owners feel their factory should be close to their home. How does it going to matter? In fact, if the house is closer to your home, it becomes a big issue. Reason, you will be more closer to the city. The more closer to the city, you will have the smaller factory. You will have the you will have the roads would be smaller, and you will not get a large space onto your property. It is better to go little away from your place so that you can get a larger space and at an affordable pricing. See, one has to look into these aspects. I have seen many people fall out on not able to upgrade because of the size of their property, size of their industrial shed, and not able to change because it becomes a big affair to again reinstall and install a machinery. That becomes a big issue. I suggest people should go little away where the property is bigger, the land is bigger. So for tomorrow, if you get a good order or if you get order to upgrade your machinery, it becomes easier. I have seen many people struggling, setting up their office, coming to a stage, but when it comes to scalability, they get stuck. And they compromise with what has to happen, let them do, and they try to open another factory somewhere else. It becomes a big issue to set up a factory in two different places. I have seen many people struggling. So that aspect, I don't know how people accept it and how they are going to, how they are going to, face the challenge. Now, these are all the small points related to the properties or the psychological effect on buying or renting a industrial property. There is also one needs to understand there is a set of place, set of location to set up an industrial property built in every city. Somewhere if you are using a ferrous or non-ferrous metal, the location should be different. Somewhere if you are using a garment industry, yours with the garment industry, the dyeing policy, the sewage will be difficult. You need to select where it is easier, because people try to pick up the property and then they realize that place is not suitable for their operations. I have come across many of these kind of scenarios. Later on, government or the officials come and trouble you that you are not supposed to open. So I say anybody has to look into this and should not hurry up in setting up an industrial unit. You need to look into every aspect. Every aspect. A realtor would be of great help to you. Get in touch with any realtor who specialize in industry. They will know slightly better than you, but still you should use your own knowledge. You should use your own ideas. And a realtor would have only limited quantity of knowledge, but you are the one who's going to set up the place. So you should look into all the aspect: the sewage, the power, the water, the what you call the accessibility, the public transport. These are the only 5 things you need to see. Others all is only a psychological impact. One needs to understand this and start off. Take care. Have a nice day.